Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Toyota Corolla hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your Corolla. It's usually on the driver's side, down by your left foot, near the kick panel. Give it a firm pull towards you. You'll hear a distinct pop as the hood partially unlatches, indicating it's ready for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Corolla. You'll notice the hood is slightly lifted, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, right above the grille. You're looking for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Once you've found the secondary latch, either push it to the side or lift it up, depending on your Corolla model. While holding that latch, gently raise the hood with your other hand. It should lift smoothly. Next, find the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself, or sometimes near the engine bay. Take the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay. Ensure the hood is stable and won't fall. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 8 inches from closing. Let it drop the final distance to latch securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.